Alright, YouTube, fading back in, back at it again with the LS3 engine swap. This is my old engine block and transmission. Like I said, I had to take the torque converter off of the back along with the engine, but it came out pretty nice. I'm gonna clean it up, paint the trans. This engine is completely trashed if you haven't seen already. Got a nice size hole knocked in it right there. My pistons are slapping, and these pistons are completely gone. So the engine is garbage, but that's why I went ahead and got this new engine. This is my new LS3 L99 automatic engine. What I need to do is just to get my torque converter off of the back flex plate. I have a new oil pan for this. So I'm going to attach the new oil pan. I need to get my oil pump from the old engine. And I got my timing cover and my crank already off and ready to be reinstalled. So then I'll just be buttoning it up, putting the water pump back on and all my pulley system, and then I'll be ready to put this into the subframe. Stay tuned, huh? Trying to stay busy over in the lab, you know. I got these got the rims getting painted black right now, so I'll be finishing that up too. Got a lot of work ahead of. Fading back in with the Chevy SS project, you know, we're going back again. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll have some other content with different cars of mine that I'm going to be posting as well. I got a few various different cars, like a 2004 Monte Carlo SS Dale Earnhardt Supercharged. I also have a G-Body Monte Carlo. Me and my brother got matching G-Body Monte Carlos. I have the 87 Euro Coupe. He has the 84. So make sure you stay tuned. We got a lot of projects that we're working on. My brother also has a Camaro Z28 2002. So we got a lot of Chevy projects going on. You know, it's the Chevy dynasty over here. You know, so we getting it in with the Chevy boys. You know.